Hey, Larry here from PriceIt Software. Wanted to show you a really cool tool that I think a lot of folks aren't really using, and I think it's something that everyone should be using, or at least check it out. This is the cost estimator. So you want to do a job, you want to find out, am I making money on this job, or did I make money on this job? I want to show you how to use this tool. So what we're going to do first, before we do anything, is we're going to go up to Jump Tool, Support Tables. Then we're going to come down here to Overhead Estimator. From here, as you'll see here, like we had this filled out in our demo, basically you put in, all of your expenses in here for your shop. Once you've done that, and actually, if you don't want to go through all of this, you could just put one line item in there and say monthly expenses and a big number if you want, if you don't want to go through all of this. So that's up to you. Once you've done that, you're going to come down here, put in how many employees you have. And then from there, let's see, you'll see that it'll let you know what the rate is for the employees, for your labor, and then it'll let you know your shop rate. So from here, we're going to go back to the job in question. Let's just say we're looking at this job. It's an embroidery job. We're going to come in here. We're going to click on costing. From here, we're going to put in the times that it took. Now, it doesn't automatically record the times you do things, so you're going to have to do a little bit of work in here. Put in how much time you spent working with a customer. So before I do that, I'm going to calculate this. This is telling us we're making a 98% margin, but I think we know better. So it also shows our true net down here. So let's go in here. We say we spent 15 minutes with a customer. We spent 10 minutes putting in the order for Sanmar or whatever. Maybe we spent 30 minutes on the artwork. Equipment setup took another 15 minutes. Decorating the items maybe took 45 minutes. Let's just say it took an hour, 2 hours. Let's say it took 2 hours. Color changes, maybe we spent, thread changes. Maybe we spent 15 minutes doing that. And then equipment teardown took us another 10 minutes. So then we're going to go ahead and calculate this. It's going to show us that we actually made a 64.57% margin for a true net of $510.56. Hopefully you start using this tool. It's really cool. Lets you know, am I going to make money or did I make money? And I think we all are in the same business to make money. So go for it and let us know what you think. Thanks.